How to use Miro for beginners, Miro tutorial 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back to yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking in great depth and detail about Miro, the visual workspace for innovation. So when it comes to actually using Miro, where hybrid teams actually get their work done, the online collaborative whiteboard platform to bring teams together anytime and anywhere is an actually amazing platform to work with. Now, when it comes to working in Miro, basically, the sign-up process is really simple and really easy to work with. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to enter your name and email address. So you're going to come up to sign up and free. Now, once you come up to sign up and free, from here, what you're going to want to do is basically you're going to go ahead and add your email. Now, as I add my email, it's going to ask me for a few more of my details. So here it says, what's your name? I'm going to add my name. Asks for an 8-character password. So I'm just going to go ahead with that. And once you've entered your password, you're going to click on continue. And once you do that, it brings you here. So it says, check your email for confirmation. And I'm just going to wait for it. So 027637 is my confirmation code. So 027637. And once we've gone with that, I'm going to click on enter, and it's going to take me into the main onboarding process. So once it takes you into the onboarding process, over there, we're going to be, discovering the different features that Miro brings us. So Miro actually brings us all these great things that we can discover, differently. So here we can see join other team in ubx.com. I'm going to skip that. I don't really want to join any other team. I'm going to click on create new team, because I have different people under the email domain that I use, but obviously I don't want to go ahead and work with them. I'm going to start my own thing, and over here, here it says, tell us about your actual team. What do you do with your team? So you can go with the, things like product marketing. You could go with the different features that you do with your team and a whole lot more. So I'm going to go with the IT way. I'm going to go with IT. Okay. What kind of work do you do? I'm going to go with, again, IT services. I'm going to go with that. Have you ever used your Miro before? Obviously, considering that we're going to be a beginner, we're going to go with no, it's my first time. And what will you use Miro for? Now, this depends on whatever you want to go with. It could be work, personal, or education. I'm going to go with work. What's your role? I'm going to go with director. What's your company size? I'm going to go with 51 to 250. How did you hear about Miro? Obviously, just add something random. In case, you could just go with YouTube. Once you do that, click on continue, and here you go. Invite teammates. So you can invite teammates from Slack, Google, or Microsoft. And you can copy this link and share it into your work messenger. What people can do is they can be redirected by seeing all of this, or you can enter their emails here. I'm going to go ahead and skip for now and skip this step. And I'm going to add these people in later for myself. And it brings me here. So where would you like to start? There's different product roadmaps that you can start with. There's retrospectives, mind maps, brainstorming, user journey mapping, and task tracking. Now, it depends on whatever kind of work you want to go with. Roadmaps are done for communication with your project strategies. Retrospective is to get feedback. Mind maps is to organize ideas. Brainstorming is to facilitate discussions. User journey mapping is to bring insights into one. And then there's task tracking, where you can manage your workflow. I'm just going to go ahead and start from scratch, to be honest, and I'm going to see how things pan out. So once you click on start from scratch, it's going to bring you to your Scratch dashboard, and over here we're going to be, working with things in Scratch. So first of all, comes this. So search template by name, category, or company. So first of all, there's the popular different things. So you can create a mind map, Kanban framework, quick retrospective, customer touchpoint, flowchart, brainwriting, and a whole lot more. So pretty easy, pretty terrific, pretty easy stuff to get your head behind, right? So I'm going to go with a mind map to start things off to, use it. So what are you using right now? Obviously, I'm using a mouse. So I'm going to go with a mouse and click on apply. And you can see we can scroll down to zoom out, scroll down to zoom in. And you can see you can scroll up to zoom out of things. You can right click and drag to move it around. It gives you all these different tips. And yeah, you're pretty much set to go. Now over here, as you can see, they've given us this mind map over here. problem, and then this problem has different branches, and in those branches they have even more different branches. So pretty basic. So you can obviously go with more templates that you want to add. You can add Kanban framework, quick retrospectives, brainwriting, flowcharts, customer touchpoint maps, and a whole lot more. Yeah, basically pretty easy stuff. And you can add different text files for yourself. So let's say if I want to add a text file over here, I'm gonna type in something. Let's say I'm gonna go with today's. Then moving on, once you've added your text files, you can shift it to different formats. Let's say I'm gonna add problem to this over here. Problem was today, or wait, let me go ahead and add this over here. So problem was today, and today's problem was because of, let's say, Jason's incompetence. Okay, and you can just add things like that. So today's problem was because of Jason's incompetence. Then you can add more details and data and different circumstances and different workings. So pretty easy, pretty basic stuff. And you can obviously remove this today from here, and you can add today over there. And then moving on, there's different sticky notes that you can add for yourself just to give you a clear idea of what you're working with. Let's say I'm going to add this sticky note over here in today's problems, and you can add a more detailed analysis. Then moving on, there's shapes to add into your design, and you can add shapes like this over here, and again you can move around to your design using this. Then there's arrows that you can redirect to different things. So let's say this is connected to this, and this could be connected to this over here, and this takes input from that, it takes input from that. So really easy and really specific stuff to get your head behind. And in general, it's a really good thing to go ahead with. Then there's different things like pens and all that you can use to draw things. So you can create arrows yourself as well if you want to explain teams using some type of video that, hey guys, so you see, say, this card. In this card you see this variable over here, this variable is connected to this over here, etc. So this is what you can use to explain people. Then there's frames that you can create. In those frames you can add different things, and you can give different types of data, and that is how basically you're going to use Miro.
So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you, and if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.